Zig Ziglar once rightly said, true success has more components than one sentence or an idea can contain. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through 3 basic components of data warehouse and a bonus one. If you're excited, dig in, smash in that like button. Welcome to Masterly Data. I'm Raza, and on this channel, I help you become a data literate with Masterly Data strategy. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode 3 times a week to decode data and help you grow in your data understanding. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You'll get notified every single time I drop an episode with data energy. Now, if you're already part of this community, welcome back. It's always awesome to see you over here. Component number 1, source data. Remember, data warehouse falls under the category of system of decision. If you haven't already watched through my previous recording on this topic, I shall link in below and you can check it out later. So, source data forms fundamental structure of any data application or a data warehouse. Source data are the incoming data within your data warehouse that can be categorized into 3. Internal data, your organization internal generated data. External data, third party data or open data or paid data or a social media data. Archived data, organization archived data for space management and long-term retention. Component number 2, data store. I'm going to give you 4 principles on data storage that have to be always on your mind if you want to become a master in data. Source systems are the heart of those businesses. Continuous transaction and secure. So there's always been a fight between the data warehousing team and the operation team on data access. Hence, the expert have introduced ODS, operational data store. That's a great benefit of having those systems in place. And that's a principle number 1. ODS are another paradigm for integrating enterprise data. It's an as a system. So when I say as a system, it means it's a replica of your operational data in a centralized repository. It enables operational reporting, or it can be referred as a CAN reporting, which is unlike of what the data warehouse reportings are. Principle number 2, staging. Staging, in my humble opinion, is a technical storage and a temporary storage. It helps in effective data processing part. Principle number 3, data warehouse. Unlike ODS, data in the data warehouse is summarized and subject oriented. Principle number 4, data marts. Data marts are it's basically a subset of data warehouse. It's almost like a data warehouse, but it's a subset of the data warehouse. Note, what comes first, data warehouse or data mart? It is a different subject to discuss in the upcoming recording or so. But ODS always is going to be before data warehouse or data mart. Component number 3, information delivery or metadata. Metadata uses high-level technology to build, maintain and manage data warehouse. It provides information regarding the source, the use, values involved and features of data, along with changes and processes of data. So it's all about data about the data. Now, let me pause for a second. Before we jump into the bonus one, are you started to seeing the value? If yes, can I please request you to smash the like button, because I like it, my team loves that, and so does the YouTube algorithm. Component number 4 and the bonus one, management and control, which is critical and most important, be it data warehouse or any other application. It's like this, you bought a Ford Maserati, but yet you haven't figured out its maintenance. Building a data warehouse system itself is a big task and costly. It's not maintained, it would end up being a monster. Success of data warehouse is on its growth, but it does not mean that it can consume anything and everything. So there need to be a maintenance to the existing data that is stored in the data warehouse, plus a control process to allow what's supposed to be in and what's supposed not to be in the data warehouse. Now, if you got the value from this episode, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. This is me signing off. You would mean a world to me and my team, but if you're with us, you're going to be masterly in data. Thank you.